Okay. Good morning, friends. I'm Carrie with Making Heart, and this morning I'm going to be doing some watercoloring. And I thought maybe you would like to join me. So, here we go. Okay. We're going to start with I'm watercoloring angels this morning. So, we're going to start with their little faces. Kind of have a little peach. You kind of have to be careful not to have too much. Um, we'll do a couple at a time. So I get these little frames at Michael's Hobby Lobby on clearance after the holidays. And then I cut watercolor paper and I put my watercolor art in them so that it's framed. Okay, so we're just making like a little circle in the little peach color for their skin tone. And dry that off. And I have 4 little things of water up here because I don't use the same water every time I rinse my brush, because certain colors, your reds, your purples, they'll tint your watercolor brush, and then you'll have oddly colored faces. Okay, so now we're going to do, let's see, let's do a blue, kind of a turquoisey blue. Little dress. Okay. Let's see here, what is this? It's kind of a purpley color. Let's do this. Oops. Okay. I know. I always do the hair last because for me, maybe not for everybody else, but for me, girl, the hair is the most difficult part for me. So I kind of just take my time on that, because even when I'm drawing it, and I draw a lot of angels and faces, and not really faces because I don't put, I usually don't put faces on my angels, but I do draw faces like with hair, and I do draw people, just not their face. And so you don't want everybody to have the same hairstyle, so it's kind of a difficult thing sometimes. And I'm just mixing I just mix different colors. You can see on my palette here that it is just, it's really a mess, but just add in different colors. We're gonna do their hair now. So let me get these 2 out of the way. And we're just gonna go in there and give her a little side pony. Let's see. This one, we'll do brown also. Okay. And then this one, now when you, we're going to give her a bun up here. And we're going to give her a little, there we go. There we go. Okay, so she's got a bun. This one over here, she's got it going on, and she's got a side pony. Okay, so now all that's left is their wings. I like to do their wings. Let me rinse my brush out here. Okay. Let's see, what color wings do we want? I think I want like a gray wings. What do y'all think? Like a, yeah. I don't know. Let me see here. That's not very gray. Okay, that may have too much blue in it. Okay. The more water you have, the less pigment. Okay, so okay, let me see if I can get that. Can you see her? Okay. I don't like how this one looks real. There we go. There we go. Now we'll do this one. Let's see here. Maybe I'll try a different brush. Let's try this one. Gives a different look at least. There we go. Kind of wispy. How about that? That's different. Well, let's go the opposite direction here. Okay. There we go. So that's that one. So, wait, let me find it here. It's so weird to do this. Okay. So that is with like a flat square brush. The other that I was using was, it's like a round brush. I really enjoy the round brushes. Okay, let's try, let me see here. Let's try this one. Now this is kind of a hard bristly one. I don't know if it's going to work. Let's try a different color wings. Let's go with like a turquoise kind of color. We'll just do like, kind of like flower petals. How about that? That's kind of cute. Okay. Cute. I just want to add a little bit more color. You can always go in and add, even though the paper's wet, you can always go in and add more color. Okay. She's adorbs. And I used this brush, but I kind of used it like sideways like that. Okay. So now we'll let them dry. And I think she's, for the most part, she's dry. Now we let them dry. And while they're drying, give me just a sec here. Let me find my pens. Let's see if this one will work. Sorry about that. Probably should have had my pen ready, but you know, this was kind of spur of the moment. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Okay. Now, when I do my little angels, I usually just give them some hair. Am I doing this so you can see it? Let's see. Let me see. I don't know. Okay. And I just kind of, okay. And I just lightly give her a shape. Nothing perfect, nothing, you know, just okay. So, okay, let me see if I can find the camera here. There we go. So there she is. She's got her hair done and her wings. And then what I'll do when they're all done, I usually will write something sweet here. Put them in their little frame and they're ready to go. There you go. So let's do this one here. Oh, she's still kind of wet. Let's do this one. Okay. Just do, and I don't ever do like straight lines. I just can't even do it. I don't know. I just can't. And I always make loops even though the feathers are kind of pointed. Just to define the line a little bit. Nothing fancy. As you can see, I go off the edge a lot. Okay. This one just needs a little more. Okay, so there's her. We'll put her in her frame. Let me see here. Stand up there. Okay. Put her in her frame. Let me see this little guy's. She's still wet. Okay. Let me dry her real quick. Just 2 seconds. Okay. We'll do the little bun. Do her little bun. We'll do her little angel wings. There. Now she's done. We'll put her in her frame. Okay. Let me see if I can get this. So you can see. Okay, there they are. Let me see. We'll do, hang on just a second. go ahead and we're just going to stamp these real quick because it's just easy and it's fun. Okay. This one says, a sweet friendship refreshes the soul. We're just going to put it right there on that one and put her in her frame. And there she is. Whoops. A sweet friendship refreshes the soul. Okay, what do I do with that? Okay. This one says, walk by faith, not by sight. We're just going to put it right here on her too. There we go. Cute. Walk by faith, not by sight. Now this one says, you're inscribed on the palm of his hand. And that is Isaiah 49:16. Okay. And there's that one. And here's all 3 of them. Oops. Finished up. Now I'll go in and I will glue these into the frames. And they'll be at Vintage Soul or on my website for sale. www.makingheart.com. Thanks for joining me, and I hope that you guys had a good time. I hope you learned something, and I hope you'll come see me again. Bye.